So as a part of org structure, we'll try to cover few more configuration part, few more settings in today's session as well. Okay. So what are the topics? Yesterday is leftover document splitting. So that particular area we'll try to cover today here at the place of document types and number ranges, as well as we'll try to cover this document splitting over here. Okay, from pending I'm removing, it goes to document splitting here. And at the end we will discuss if whether you were able to do these things or not. Like if you have to create this, how we can do that, okay? Physical year variant from the Feb to Jan, how we can do that, we will see it little later. So let us go one after the other topic here. So we will define tax procedures. So these taxes, if I'm not wrong, we could have discussed at the time of demo, taxes and whole topic. It will take little time for us to more understand. Okay, so it will take time, means it's too early to discuss about the tax topics. But here it's a important, like here it's a mandatory step to cover the taxes. Like we have to assign for my company, what is the procedure I have to, or I'm going to follow. Is it Indian tax or is it UK or is it US tax, whatever tax maybe. So what is the tax I'm going to follow for my company. It's a part of the procedure, which is a mandatory step. Okay, here let us do this particular step, but actually this tax topic we are going to discuss in a AP and AR. To be frank, once we complete our AR, after accounts payable, we have accounts receivable module. At that time, we will discuss about taxes in detail. As if now, single step we'll be doing to assign the tax. Okay, how we can do? Let me log in first of all. So still we are doing implementation side basic settings for our org structure. So we are going for SPRO. Okay, still we are doing some few steps in the SPRO settings, IMG implementation guide. Same yesterday's part, financial accounting global setting. Here we'll be doing few steps today. Let us take first of all taxes. Here tax on sales oblique purchases we have. Tax on sales oblique purchases. Okay, financial accounting global setting, taxes on sales oblique purchases. Let us go to additional information, display key IMG activity. We will display the IMG activities besides whenever we do. This T code is OBBG. Let us go for the T code OBBG. Here, if you observe directly, I'm not doing any calculation procedure. To do this calculation procedure, actually we should know how we can create the procedure, what is input tax, output tax at the time of vendor and customer. We haven't reached at that stage of creating customer and vendor. So let us just assign country to calculation procedure. This step we will do, assign country to calculation procedure, OBBG. So like yesterday, I'm trying to delete the log entries of some other user. Okay, assign country to calculation procedure. So if you observe country wise here assigning we are saying, so no new entries. Even if it is there also, I'm not going to create. Just to pick our countries, our company's country, which is IN. Here for India, some procedure is created by the trainees. Okay, so they have assigned their own procedure because it's a training version, right? What we do, either F4, you will be getting from here, or either click on this checkbox or drop down button. What we say is drop down button. Click on the drop down button. Okay, or what we can do, we can go for a F4 function key we can give to select the tax procedure. So here we have only tax IN and tax procedure for India. We will be selecting the procedure which is already given by the product SAP system. Okay, so I'm selecting TAXINN for India. Save. That's it. Simple step here. Simple. Saving Tata Motors. Just enter. It's only one what you'll say company or one request we have. So it is populating. Let me select that populated one. Enough. Any doubts here? Later on, once we move on, we will create our calculation procedure. Then we will follow some here steps and all. We will do little later. It's too early initial stages. Just we are assigning. Anything which you want to know here?
Yeah, ma'am, I just want to understand here the procedure, what we are attaching. Like every country has a different type of tax, like VAT tax is there, GST is there. So, I mean, how we will be selecting, I mean, how that the procedure denotes that it's a VAT or GST or withholding, I don't know.
So here, I'm sorry, 1 second. See here, tax procedure, as you asked, basic settings. When we are trying to assign, here it's populating few procedures, right? Like when I try to assign here. So this we can check. Where we can check in a tax procedure, we can check. This tax procedure is TAXINN. Okay. So what is there in this tax INN? I can check here in the calculation procedure. Okay, so here no text found actually. It should be some details. Tax INN, don't get panic. Uh, the details over there, it is displaying little different. So here we have a tax procedure, TAXINN, tax procedure for India, Kenya, some tax jurisdictions related to some other countries. You will find actually more over here. Okay, so tax INN, go to control data tab folder. These are the procedure which is created for our India. Okay, deductions, SED, CST, LST, service tax, RED, BED. Okay, so these are the taxes for India. Okay, AR at the time of AR, nothing but we'll be putting at the time of customers. Okay, so we should know all these things.